Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Odyssey sliding door. First, let's diagnose the problem. Many issues stem from a faulty motor or damaged cables. Carefully inspect the door's track for any debris or obstructions that might be preventing smooth movement. Pay attention to any grinding or clicking sounds when the door attempts to open or close, as these can indicate specific mechanical failures. A thorough check helps pinpoint the exact repair needed. Once you've identified potential issues, focus on the tracks and rollers. Use a clean cloth and a mild cleaner to remove dirt and grime from both the upper and lower tracks. After cleaning, apply a silicone-based lubricant to the rollers and hinges. This helps reduce friction and allows the door to glide smoothly. Confirm that each roller wheel rotates freely. Stiff rollers can cause significant operational problems. Next, we'll look at the cables and motor, which are crucial for automatic operation. Carefully inspect the cables for any signs of wear, fraying, or complete breakage. If the cables are damaged, they will need replacement. Then, test the door motor. If it doesn't respond or sounds weak, it might be failing. Replacing a faulty motor or broken cables often resolves most automatic door issues. After replacing parts or performing maintenance, it's time for final adjustments and testing. Ensure the door aligns correctly with the vehicle body to maintain a good seal. Operate the door multiple times, both automatically and manually, to confirm smooth and complete movement. Also, verify that all safety features, like the auto-reverse function, are fully operational. This ensures the door is safe and functions reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.